back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple okra dish, a vegetarian dish that you can make in a jiffy. It will hardly take you about 3 to 4 minutes to prepare and 3 to 4 minutes to cook it. So let's get started. So what I've done is I've chopped off my okra lengthwise, long lengthwise, this way, and I've also pounded garlic and chili in my mortar and pestle. So let's get started. My wok is now heated up. Okay, as you can see, my wok is now heated. I'm going to now start making the okra. So in my wok I've put about 1 tablespoon of oil. To that I'm going to add 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of, rather I put 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, which I just made, chili and garlic paste. Once my garlic has cooked, fried a little bit, next I'm going to add in my okra. Medium flame. I do not want my okra to be slimy, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just half a teaspoon of lime juice or lemon juice, and you will see the difference. You will not find the okra slimy at all. Okay. So now let's season it. I'm going to season my okra with super seasoning powder, vegetarian super seasoning powder. Just a little bit, half a teaspoon. And I'm going to add my chili oil. Remember the chili garlic sauce that I made, plus that oil. I'm going to add that. If you don't have access to the recipe, I'm going to add that to the description box. And lastly, a little bit of soy. I'm just going to stir fry this for another minute or so and take it off from the gas. Because of the lime juice, can you see? My okra is not at all slimy. It's been a minute now and my okra is ready. Can you see how quick it was? Hardly about 2 minutes it took me to cook okra. There you go. See how vibrant green my okra is still, and cooked so well, nice and soft. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, ensure that you click on the like button and share my recipe. And not to forget the bell icon so that you get the first notification about my new recipes which are posted in the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home. So quick and easy, and delicious to eat. Serve it with rice, steamed rice, and it will be delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.